Yeah, I don't have any pants on. If you look at that. People like me. Sleeping in their cars. Not that guy. This Walmart actually has signs that says you can sleep in your car in this area. I do have underwear on. I'm not completely naked. But I don't know how much longer I can take not taking a shower. It's been 5 days. I actually counted last night. I was in denial. Thought it was only 3 days. It's been 5. Oh God. I might just pop this door and shower right here, but there's so much traffic coming through here. Should probably go somewhere else. But yeah, definitely going to Yosemite today, and gonna pack these boxes in here, get them out. That's what you want. Coming over here, locked myself in. Yeah, I put the boxes out last night. Got these shoes I'm selling, and I also check this out for you guys that care about my business. Just leave the door open. Check this out. Got these 75% off at CVS last night. I actually went to this little dance festival. Get out of my way. This little dance festival, and I pulled up, and it was just straight like older people and little kids. It was like a big family event, so I felt super awkward just going in there and dancing, so I didn't. Instead, I went to the CVS across the street, and I never have luck at these places. Like, I'm just not good at finding stuff, but I found a lot of printer cartridges. I always want to say cartridges. I think I have a speech impediment or something. Something's wrong with my brain. But yeah, so about $50 profit in there. Didn't spend much. But we'll see if they sell good. Apparently they sell like every single day. A lot, like the sales rank, which tells me how often they sell is really high on all those items. So yeah, good morning guys. Peace out. So half a mile down the road from the Walmart I stayed at has this apple tree farm, but it's perfect. Perfect place to shower. Yep, this is it. Just gonna hang this little shower up and get in and out. Didn't have any soap when I was at Walmart, so I went inside, got some Irish Spring exfoliating clean version. Get all this dead skin off of me. Good morning guys. Just got a fresh shower in right behind those trees, whatever kind of fruit those are, out here in California, making some coffee. It's a good day. Got this off-brand Yeti cup to keep my